Guess what time it is? Yep, time for a beatdown. Get the new kid. Beat him down. Finally, some good old teenage bloodshed. Ha ha, yeah! Take him to hell. Ha ha ha! Go! Give him the finisher! Give him the finisher!
It's your own fault.
I ain't gonna forget. I never forget. I'll get you back in front of the whole school. Ha 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 ha! You're dead, new kid. Dead.
Hey, you! Break it up! That's enough of that! Break it up! Why are you not in your uniform, young man? Go change immediately!
Aw, come on.
Hey, you're the new kid.
Yeah? What's it to you?
Friendly, aren't you?
Give me a break, loser.
Hey, relax, friend. You're all pent up. Go easy or they put you on medication. They did to me. Boy, nearly sent me insane.
That's fascinating. Now if you'll excuse me...
I said relax, friend.
Get off, man.
Listen to me, tough guy. You just arrived at the toughest school in the country, and I'm offering to be your friend. Trust me, in a place like this, you're gonna need friends. So it's up to you. You gonna play nice or what?
Yeah, sure.
Good. So how about I show you around? We don't have a bar in the dorm, just a soda machine.
I'm hungry already.
You should probably change into your uniform if you don't want to get in trouble.
You want to be paralyzed? I can arrange that, pal. Ooh, I'm so angry. You're such a new head. Feel the wrath of my type. Don't hurt each other.
Hey, how you doing? You must be the new kid. I'm Pete Kowalski. Jimmy Hopkins, and don't ask how I'm doing. I've been here 5 minutes, and already people want me dead. Even my parents didn't hate me this quickly. Well, welcome to Bullworth. It's a dump. Great. I've been expelled from anywhere halfway decent.
Yeah, I've been expelled from anywhere halfway decent because I'm really bad. Give up the tough guy act, pal.
Hey, man, what's your problem?
Well, ADD primarily, but also life. My parents, this school, Western civilization, but really, honestly, enough about me. Oh, I see you've met the dorm's mascot. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Femboy, the girliest boy in school. Petey, haven't you got some imaginary friends to go annoy?
Why don't you leave me alone, Gary?
Look at you. Leave me alone, Gary. I'm really self-important now that I finally hit puberty. What's your problem? I'm just being nice to the new kid as he passes through Bullworth on his inevitable journey to prison.
Look, I gotta unpack. Would you guys mind getting out of here?
Oh, now look what you've done, Pete. Jimmy can't stand you already.
it worked. I wonder if Aquaberry breeds horses. And you're sticking me up.
Oh no, idiot again! Hey, Jimmy, let me show you around this prison.
Your move, Dillweed.
What are you gonna do, Puke? What are you gonna do?
Yeah, well, you made my hit list. How you like that?
That's Russell's locker. You know, the big ape who almost put you in the hospital.
Vocal cords out.
I didn't mean anything.
You cash now.
I don't want any trouble.
Scar's face. Kneel before Russell. Next time you give, more doofus.
Come on, let's break into it and steal something. That'll teach him. Don't let the prefects see you break any rules. They'll hurt you. Well done.
You just made a serious mistake. I think you suck.
It's surprisingly roomy.
I have better things to do.
Snot's
Four
not
teams too many to
supposed to
be
be,
on?
right?
Russell sure has great notes. Whip.
I'll give you whatever you want.
I'm so angry.
Your clothing, social suicide.
Hey, Jimmy, follow me. Oh man, there's that weird chick Eunice. Let's have some fun with her.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Go, see what she wants.
No!
Graduate, give up being a prefect.
You all right?
He took my chocolate! Please get it back! Shove it!
Why do you just like that?
I'm sure this year will be much better than